Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Salsa Tomatillo full guide. Start by preparing 1 pound of tomatillos. Remove husks, rinse, and quarter them. Roast until charred on edges for a smoky base. Blend with 1 small onion, 2 cloves garlic, a jalapeno to taste, salt, cilantro, and fresh lime juice. Taste and adjust seasoning for balance, then chill briefly before serving for best flavor and texture. Heat a dry skillet or set the broiler to high and arrange tomatillos in a single layer for even char. Roast until skins blister and edges blacken, about 6 to 8 minutes total, turning once with tongs. This step adds deep, caramelized notes and reduces raw acidity, creating a rounded flavor that blends well with herbs and citrus. Let cooled tomatillos rest briefly before moving to the blender or mortar and pestle. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the water bottle shown keeps you hydrated while cooking or hiking, which matters when you handle spicy peppers. I love the convenience and leak-proof design. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for supporting. Now let's get back to the video. Transfer roasted tomatillos to a blender and add cilantro, lime juice, and salt to taste for a vibrant, balanced salsa. If you prefer less heat, remove seeds from the jalapeno or substitute with milder peppers. Pulse to your desired texture, smooth for dipping or chunky for topping tacos. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil if desired, then chill briefly to let flavors meld before serving with chips or grilled meats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.